It's a 2016 Chevrolet Camaro. Since its birth in 1966, the Camaro has brought drivers instant street cred, and it continues to do so now. It comes with all the amenities you need: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, doors and push-button start proximity key, manual tilting steering column, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, manual telescoping steering column, manual transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Automobile notes, all of the Camaros we drove had crisp turn-in and linear steering response. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
We offer superior vehicles. Come and see for yourself. We are easy to find on 5520 South Shaver, 1/2 mile east of the Gulf Freeway, exit 34.